Hey guys, it's Roy from Article12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with a quick unboxing and first impressions video on the TOZO HT2 Adaptive Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. And today we don't get to try just one of them, we get to try out two of them. Now, full disclosure, I probably will just be trying one, because they're actually the same thing. The only difference that I can see here from the boxes is they come in two different colors on this one. It looks like we've got a red one and then a tan or a khaki one. Normally when I work with TOZO, they just send me one, but this time they sent me two different ones, and I'm excited to be trying both of them out here today. They do come in a wide variety of colors. You can see a couple of the different color options right here and on here as well, and we're just going to be showing off the two of them here today, but you can check out those other ones on the link we'll have in the video description down below. Now, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you'll have seen several recent videos about TOZO products. I am a huge fan of them. They're a brand that I was recently introduced to, and I am very glad that I was. They make great products, they are super affordable, and you're getting a great bang for your buck. They're not the greatest things out there. They're not going to compete against some of your super expensive headphones and earbuds and speakers. However, for the price point that these things are selling at, you're getting way more than they're worth. So before we cut these boxes open, let's go ahead and let's take a quick look and see what we've got with them. First thing, we see that this one has adaptive hybrid active noise canceling. It has ENC call noise canceling. It has 40mm dynamic driver units, high-res audio certification, has ergonomic and lightweight design for comfort, foldable, and easy to store. You can also use the TOZO app with it for preset equalizers and other features. It says it has extended battery life with large capacity, and it's compatible with Bluetooth and aux-in. Here on this side, we got the colors. It says it's available on the App Store as well as on the Play Store. Flipping over this one, and we get the Amazon shipping code. And then around to the top, and we got another blank side. So it looks like it's pretty straightforward. Not a lot on the outside of the box, but let's go ahead and let's cut these open. Because red's my favorite color, we're going to go and we're going to open that one first. Headphones here. Already I can tell you I super like these. I like that color a lot. That is a nice super sharp looking red. I'm excited to be trying that out. It's got little labels on there so you know which ear you're supposed to put it on. Comes with both an aux cable and a USB-A to USB-C cable. So let's go ahead and set those off to the side real quick. Package is pretty much the same, but we got the khaki here. And here with this khaki one, I like this color a lot. It looks super sharp and clean. It's just a little bit different from the headphones that you normally see, and it kind of just gives it an extra little pop there. So first impressions, I definitely have to say I like the looks of them. I like the color. They've got lots of padding here. You can see here they've got lots of thick padding on the earmuffs. They've got some good thick padding here on the head. Got some nice metal pieces there. It's got some numbers indicating the sizes. It's got those on both sides there. Looks like it has some good extension. So they do fit very comfortably over the ears. Holy cow. The earmuffs muffle sound a ton on their own. I do have a rather large head, and this thing is extended to the full length. It is a teensy bit tighter on the top. However, for most people that have normal sized heads, I think these things will fit perfectly. They do have some adaptability there with the ability to adjust the width. But looks like both of them fit very well. They fit very comfortably. And yeah, already, I mean, even though they're technically active noise canceling, I feel like they're canceling noise already just with the quality of the earmuffs on them. But we'll go ahead and we're going to hook these up to the app and see how the actual quality is. So the power button is down here in the bottom corner. It's on the right earmuff. So I don't know if you guys can hear it there, but it does have an audible tone that when it starts up you can hear that. Here we have the noise canceling button, so we can just push that to activate the noise canceling. We have the USB-C port for charging. And then we also have the 3.5mm plug here for auxiliary use. Now to pair them, we're going to go ahead and open up the TOZO app, add device. So it's not finding it automatically there. We'll go ahead and we'll try pairing it manually. There we go. We just got a chime saying that it's connected. Oh, and now it sees it on the app. And there we go. So we've got 74% battery life left on these things, so they came pre-charged. So we got noise cancellation is currently active. I'm going to put these back on and I'm going to test that audio out. So I am currently listening to the audio and I can barely hear myself talking. I don't have the sound up very loud, but the active noise canceling is on and it sounds amazing. The audio is sharp, it is clear, I can hear things. I cannot hear the audio around me though. It's I mean, there's not a lot of background noise, but can't hear anything with them on. Let's see what else we can do here. We'll test some of the other settings real quick, see what those do. So I turned off the active noise canceling, and it still is giving me some decent noise blocking just with the earmuffs there. Turn on transparency mode. Let's see what that sounds. Holy cow. Transparency mode works awesome. I can hear myself. I can hear things without any problems. We also have a reduced wind noise option as well as a leisure mode. We have normal mode, and then we even have an adaptive mode. All right, so my first impressions are extremely positive. So although I may not recommend them for someone who has an extremely large head, they will work for your average user. I am probably going to be using these ones with my kids. My son's been asking for some earmuff headphones here recently, and I think that he would absolutely love these. Looking at the documentation, it says that without active noise canceling enabled, you can get 60 hours of battery life on these. I have not tested that out. I haven't had a chance to test that out yet, but I would love to see if it does work. I did not see any numbers for how much battery life you get with the active noise canceling enabled. However, I don't know how often you're going to be using the active noise canceling because these earmuffs are such good quality that they are blocking out most sound all on their own. And if you do happen to run out of battery life, that 3.5mm aux port does come in handy. Now granted, a lot of devices don't come with these 3.5mm or these aux ports anymore. They don't have that headphone jack built into them. However, a lot of them do come with USB-C adapters, or you can find a USB-C adapter that will allow you to get that headphone jack back on your device. And it's nice to be able to have that option so you can continue using these even if you forget to charge them. All in all, I would definitely have to say these are great headphones. I really like the look of them. I really like the feel of them. And I wish that my head were just a little bit smaller so that I could use them a little bit more comfortably. As it is, I know my kids and my wife are going to love these things. They feel great, they work great, and they have a lot of great functionality. For those of you who have watched some of my previous videos, you'll know that the TOZO app has a lot of great features in it, has a lot of great AI features, has a lot of great equalizer effect, has a whole ton of different things that you can use to make your experience that much more enjoyable. They go for about $40 on Amazon, depending on which color option you go with. And keep in mind, they do have a ton of different color options available. So there is something out there for everyone. If you guys have any questions about the TOZO HT2 or about any of TOZO's other products, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.